Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel where you watch and learn. My name is Madam Valerie and I'll be taking you through Biology Form 1, and our very first topic is under Introduction to Biology. By the end of this lesson, if you have any question, any feedback, please feel free to comment on the comment section. So the objective of this lesson is under Introduction to Biology and branches of biology. Under Introduction to Biology, we are going to look at what biology is and its definition. Under the branches of biology, we are going to look at the branches of biology. Biology have several branches. We are going to state them and define them. So our first objective is Introduction to Biology. So biology originates from two Greek words, that is bios and logos. Bios, which means life, whereas logos means study. Therefore, biology is a branch of science that deals with the study of living things. However, it is important to know that living things interacts with non-living things. So biology is also the study of non-living things. We have another definition of biology, which is the study of plants and animals, the environment, and interaction between living things and environment. The second objective is branches of biology. So in biology, we have two main broad branches of biology, that is botany and zoology. So botany is a branch of biology which deals with the study of plants, while zoology is a branch of biology that deals with the study of animals. So these are the two main branches of biology. But apart from that, we have other smaller branches of biology which include ecology, which is the study of interrelationship between organisms and their environment. Ecology is further subdivided into forest ecology, marine ecology, rangeland ecology, and many others. Environment and organism benefits from each other. For example, mammals breathe in oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. Thereafter, in photosynthesis that is carried out by plants, carbon dioxide is used as raw material for this photosynthesis, and the byproduct of photosynthesis is oxygen, which is in turn used by mammals. Another branch is genetic, which is a sub-branch of biology that deals with the study of inheritance and variation. It also studies the variation that is between the parents and the offspring. And it is also concerned on how characteristics are being transferred from the parents to the offspring. For example, in a family, let's say for example, a mother is light skinned. The possibility of light skin characteristic being transferred to the offspring is high. Next branch is entomology, which is the study of insects. Under this one, we are going to look at the classification of insects. For example, we have insects with three body parts, insects with two body parts. There are those insects with wings and there are those insects without wings. So all this we are going to study under insects. The next branch is parasitology, which is the study of parasites. Here we are going to look at the classification of parasites. We have internal parasites and external parasites. For example, external parasites are those parasites which live outside the host, while internal parasites are those parasites which live inside the host. Another branch is physiology, which deals with the study and function of various structures of organisms. Examples of these structures are like lungs, we have heart, we have liver, we have brain. So for example, the lungs carries out the function of gaseous exchange. So this tracheas carries out several functions to ensure the normal body functioning. Another branch is anatomy, which is the study of internal structure of organisms. Examples of these structures are like pharynx, heart, lungs, liver, kidneys, veins, stomach, pancreas. All these structures carries out different functions in the body of the organism. Another branch is microbiology, which is the study of microorganisms. Microorganisms are tiny organisms which cannot be seen by the naked eye. Therefore, a powerful tool known as microscope is used to observe them. So we are going to study how these microorganisms affect the body of organisms and their control. Another branch is ornithology, which is basically the study of birds. So under this one, we are going to look at the classification of birds and their characteristics. The next branch is ethology, which is the study of fishes. Under this, we are going to look at also the classification of fishes and their characteristics. And finally, we have virology, which is the study of viruses. Viruses are tiny organisms which cannot be seen by the naked eye but can only be seen using a microscope. So under this branch, we are going to study how these viruses affect organisms and their control. So learner, this marks the end of today's lesson. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to drop it on the comment section. Bye and see you in our next lesson.